What's up, everybody? This is Melissa with Oxmoor Auto Group, and today I'm out here at Oxmoor Mazda with Alan, and he's going to be showing us some of the features on this 2021 Mazda Miata Grand Touring. So what do you have for us?
Yes, so guys, if we start off, you guys can see the wonderful look of the headlights. We have the sports look in the bottom, the spoiler, right? We come to the side. You see the hard top, convertible, great looking vehicle. The color's excellent. Have the 17-inch wheels, perfect color to it for what we have on the color. So we open the door here, come around, right? We have the digital display. We have the center console, the buttons, the Android Auto, and the CarPlay. Heated leather seats with the 6-speed manual. It's a great car that we can enjoy as the sun rises and till the sunset,
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for going over those features with us.
Of course.
If you guys are interested in this vehicle or have any questions for us, you can find us online or give us a call. All of that contact information will be right up here on the page. Thanks so much.